Really interesting stuff with Microsoft, in my opinion. Um, so uh, if the green count is in play, we don't want to break below 310. I don't want to see that. I could give it a little bit lower, but 310 is like that's when alarm bells should start going off if we do get below there for some reason. But the green count has us in a 1, 2, 3. This would be your A, B. We just did C, and we're starting this fifth wave higher. And it will be in the form of a three-wave move. It's like some kind of a diagonal pattern. But if we get up into that 375 range, we're taking gains. We're going to be taking some gains. The other count has us topping. And so this would be your first wave down, second wave. And if we break below 310, especially if it's in some kind of a vertical direct fashion, that's going to be a very big warning. And we will likely stop out of some of our recent buys with Microsoft.